Nipples appear along the sides of the trunk. By 6.5 weeks, the elbows are distinct. The fingers are beginning to separate, and hand movement can be seen. On average, the heart now beats 167 times per minute. A portion of the intestine now protrudes temporarily into the umbilical cord. This normal process, called physiologic herniation, makes room for other developing organs in the abdomen. Nipples appear along the sides of the trunk shortly before reaching their final location on the front of the chest. Hiccups have been observed by 7 weeks. Leg movements can now be seen, along with a startle response. Electrical activity of the heart, recorded at 7.5 weeks, reveals a wave pattern similar to the adults. In females, the ovaries are identifiable by 7 weeks. By 7.5 weeks, the pigmented retina of the eye is easily seen, and the eyelids are beginning a period of rapid growth. Fingers are separate, and toes are joined only at the bases. The hands can now come together, as can the feet.